To create a bulleted list in Google Docs, at first we need to select the items. So I'm going to select all the lines which we want to create the bulleted list. Here I just selected, and then after that we have to come to this menu options. From here we'll find a bulleted list icon is there. If we move our cursor over there, we'll see bulleted list is there. We just need to click here, and you will see that the list has been bulleted. So in this way we can easily create the bulleted list. Sometimes you will see this icon is missing. For example, here I'm going to decrease the window of this browser, and once I decrease the window, here I am seeing that that icon is not there. So at the time, to find that bulleted list icon, we just need to click this three dot. Here if you move your cursor, you will see more option is there. That means if you click here, it will be expanded, and from here you will find that bulleted list is there. So that's it. In this way we can easily create the bulleted list in Google Docs.